In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to promote my Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. And as you can see over here in commission, I made $17,210 in the month of May, okay? From the first day of May until the day 31 of May, I made $17,210 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, okay? So let's get started. So for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and start promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest to earn commission, all you have to do, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's profitable, they are paying a good commission, okay? So all you have to do is just click on join now and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you will do next, you just need to put your first name. So this is your sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that will be related to Pinterest, and you will promote those services on Pinterest to earn commission, okay? So how you can find a profitable services that you should start promoting on Pinterest to earn commission? So all you have to do is you just need to go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, okay? And what you will do next, you will click on the search and you need to search for Pinterest, okay? Search for Pinterest design, search for Pinterest design, okay? Like this. You need to promote services related to Pinterest, okay? So let's scroll down. You should find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, as you can see. So all you have to do is you need to choose a good seller, okay? Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, sellers who who are like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So let's see if we can find a good one. For example, like this one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, as you can see, and this service is starting just from $10. That's really good. So click on this service like this. You will be directly in this seller profile page. This seller has 1 orders in queue and you can see how many people used this service, okay? So those people who are asking in the comments, it's not working, people will not buy those services from you, it's not working, it's saturated, like those stupid comments, guys. Please, if people will not buy those services, which people are buying those services, okay? If it's not working, then which people are buying this service? You see how many reviews here? Those reviews just for people who leave reviews, because a lot of people, they just buy the service and they go, they will not, they don't leave a review, okay? Look how many reviews. And you keep saying it's not working. Okay, anyway, so all you have to do is just copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. So just click over here and you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, uh, you have reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link. Let me show you. So just click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. So if you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open Pinterest business account, okay? After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, let me show you. So this will be your Pinterest home page, okay, as you can see. So why we choose to promote our Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest? Because did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly, and if you choose services related to Pinterest, services that will help those people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account, okay? 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a lot of traffic. Millions of people every single day are using Pinterest, okay? Anyway, so this will be your homepage. Like I said, after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, okay, double click, and you need to save this picture to your laptop, okay, like this. Click on save. Okay, go to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture like this. Click on open, and here you go. So what you will do next, you need to put title and description. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this about this gig. This is his description. You just need to copy this description. I will copy just this part to show you guys. Go to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, you can't see this option if you have a new Fiverr affiliate account. You will not have this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. For me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, okay, and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here, like this. Click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords or tags related to this service. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags, okay? Copy those keywords. So just copy those keywords, okay, like this, and put those keywords here. Okay, go back to Pinterest and I will copy this one. Go to Pinterest again and put this keyword here. Go back to this seller profile page and I'm gonna click on this one. I will copy this one. So make sure to copy all those keywords, they are very important, okay? And I will put this one here. After you finish, click on publish, okay? It's super easy, guys. It's really super easy, okay? So let me see, and here you go. your Fiverr affiliate account will be published like this. Okay, so this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, and this is your title, and this is your description. Okay, so start promoting Fiverr affiliate links like this on Pinterest. Choose services related to Pinterest so you can earn commission, because those people who are using Pinterest, they are just scrolling down on Pinterest. If they see your service, that they will be interested to use and buy this service from you. Okay, to grow their Pinterest account and to design their Pinterest pins. Okay, to make them more professional and more branding. Those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, and it's already working because a lot of people here on Fiverr has a lot of reviews. Look how many reviews this seller has. Look how many reviews this seller has. Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one here, and look at this one. People are buying this service. Okay, and which people will buy this service? Only people who has Pinterest account. So if you do it correctly, if you stay consistent, you can make a lot of money with this business model, with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, and that's it, guys. You just need to stay consistent. So for me, I have like 5 Pinterest account that I'm using, but for you as beginner, just start with one. Stay consistent, grow your account, start promoting services that are related to Pinterest, stay consistent, and if you stay consistent for a long time, you will start seeing results and you will start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. And that's it. You guys can also check my YouTube channel. I share with you how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook, on Quora, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and so much more for free. So you can get so much traffic for free, extra traffic for free. Don't use just Pinterest. Go check my YouTube channel and see you in my next videos.